Hey there, welcome to Exploding Brands. Today, I'm walking you through a comprehensive yet simple 5-step SEO audit that anyone can perform on their website, even if you've never touched a line of code. The best part? All the tools I'll show you are either free or have robust free versions. Why is this important? Because understanding your website's SEO health is like getting a medical checkup. It helps you identify problems before they become serious and gives you a roadmap for improvement. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of exactly where your site stands and know precisely which issues to prioritize first. Let's dive in. Step 1 is analyzing your site speed, which is critical because Google prioritizes fast-loading sites and users abandon slow pages within seconds. First, head to Google Page Speed Insights and enter your URL. While it's analyzing, let me explain what we're looking for. The tool will give you separate scores for mobile and desktop. Both matter, but mobile is increasingly important. Now let's interpret these results together. If your score is green, 90/100, fantastic, your site is performing well. Yellow, 50/89, indicates room for improvement. Red, 0-49, means serious issues that need immediate attention. Beyond the overall score, scroll down to the Opportunities section. These are specific issues affecting your site speed. Pay special attention to Largest Contentful Paint, LCP. This measures when the largest content element becomes visible. Aim for under 2.5 seconds. First Input Delay, FID. This measures interactivity. Aim for under 100 milliseconds. Cumulative Layout Shift, CLS. This measures visual stability. Aim for under 0.1. The most common issues I see are unoptimized images and render blocking resources. For images, you can use tools like TinyPNG to compress them without losing quality. For render blocking resources, consider implementing lazy loading for non-critical elements. Document these issues in your audit spreadsheet, which you can download from the link in the description. This becomes your SEO action plan. Step 2 is analyzing if your content actually matches what people are searching for. This is the foundation of SEO. Start by identifying your top 10 pages by traffic using Google Analytics or Search Console. For each page, we need to determine 1. What keyword is this page currently ranking for? 2. Is that the keyword we intended to target? 3. Is there a better keyword opportunity we're missing? Let me walk you through this process for a real example. First, take your URL and enter it in Ahrefs, SEMrush, or the free alternative Ubersuggest. Look at the top pages report to see which pages get the most organic traffic. For each page, check the top keywords to see what terms are driving traffic. Here's how to interpret this data. If your page is ranking for terms unrelated to your intended topic, your content needs better focus. If you're ranking on page 2 to 3 for valuable keywords, you're close. These pages need optimization. If you're ranking for low-value terms when more valuable alternatives exist, it's time to re-optimize. For example, if you have a page about home office chairs that's ranking for cheap office chairs but not ergonomic office chairs, which has higher search volume and conversion value, you'd want to update your content to better target the more valuable term. Check if your title, H1, and content actually contain your target keywords in a natural way. Google's NLP has evolved, but clarity still matters. Document these findings in your spreadsheet. Step 3 is crucial, checking how well your site performs on mobile devices. With over 60% of searches now happening on smartphones, Google predominantly uses mobile-first indexing. Here's how to thoroughly check your mobile optimization. 1. Start with Google's mobile-friendly test. Enter your URL and wait for results. 2. Then, manually test your site on different devices or use Chrome DevTools. Right-click on your page and select Inspect. Click the mobile icon or press Ctrl+Shift+M. Select different device sizes from the drop-down menu. What we're looking for: text that's readable without zooming. Tap targets, buttons, links that are properly sized and spaced. Content that fits the screen without horizontal scrolling. forms and interactive elements that work on touchscreens. No intrusive interstitials, pop-ups that block content. Common issues include font sizes below 16px, which are difficult to read on mobile. Buttons closer than 8px to each other, causing fat finger misclicks. Images that break layouts on smaller screens. Menus that don't collapse properly on mobile. For each issue, take screenshots and add them to your audit document. The fix often involves updating your CSS with proper media queries or switching to a responsive theme if you're using a CMS like WordPress. Step 4 is reviewing your backlink profile, the links pointing to your site from other websites. These act as votes of confidence in Google's eyes, but low-quality links can actually hurt you. Let's use a free tool like Ahrefs Backlink Checker or Moz's Link Explorer, free account required. 1. Enter your domain and head to the backlinks report. 2. Export this data to a spreadsheet if possible. 3. Sort by domain rating or domain authority to see your highest quality links first. Now let's analyze what we're seeing. Domain diversity. Are your links coming from many different websites or just a few? More diversity is better. Relevance. Are linking sites in your industry or related fields? Relevant links carry more weight. Link quality. High authority sites pass more value than low authority ones. Anchor text. Is it varied and natural or over-optimized with exact match keywords? Toxic signals. Watch for patterns of spammy links, paid links, or link networks. Red flags to watch for include sudden spikes in low-quality links, potential negative SEO attack. Many links from irrelevant sites like foreign gambling or loan sites. Unnatural anchor text patterns. Too many exact match keyword anchors. Links from known link farms or private blog networks. If you discover toxic links, document them for potential disavowal using Google's disavow tool. For good links, note referring domains that might be open to more collaboration in the future. Our final step is content gap analysis, finding topics your competitors are ranking for that you're missing. This is pure gold for content planning. You'll need a tool like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or the more budget-friendly Mangools. Here's the process. 1. Identify 3 to 5 direct competitors in your space. 2. In your chosen tool, go to the content gap or keyword gap analysis. 3. Enter your domain and your competitors' domains. 4. Set the filter to show keywords where competitors rank in the top 10, but you don't rank at all. This will reveal topics your audience is searching for, but you're not addressing. For each potential topic, evaluate. Search volume. Is there significant traffic potential? Keyword difficulty. Is it realistic for you to rank? Business relevance. Does it align with your products or services? User intent. What type of content would satisfy searchers? For example, if you sell home office furniture and discover competitors ranking for home office setup for small spaces with 2,500 monthly searches, that's an excellent content opportunity. Create a prioritized list of these content gaps, organizing them by quick wins, lower difficulty, high relevance. Strategic opportunities, higher difficulty but highly valuable. Future considerations, worth monitoring but not immediate priorities. This becomes your content roadmap for the next 3 to 6 months. Now you have a complete, professional-grade SEO audit of your website. Let's recap what we've learned. Site speed issues affecting user experience and rankings. Keyword alignment gaps between your content and search intent. Mobile optimization issues to address. Backlink profile strengths and weaknesses. Content opportunities based on competitor analysis. Remember, you don't need to fix everything at once. Start with the issues that will have the biggest impact. Critical technical issues affecting crawling and indexing. Content gaps with high search volume and relevance. Mobile usability issues. Page speed improvements. Backlink cleanup if necessary. Download my free SEO audit template from the link below to keep track of all these elements. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more practical SEO tutorials. Next week, I'll show you exactly how to fix the most common issues we discovered today. Drop a comment if you have any questions about your specific audit results, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching.